What's up, y'all? This is Czech Effect, man, and I'm doing part 2 of the Airbnb in San Antonio. Now, a couple of people have been hitting me up about the link. It will be in the description. And if you haven't checked out the first video, make sure you look up the first video right here. Check that out first and then come to this video. A lot of people have been interested and want to know about the area and was asking me about Claudia. Unfortunately, Claudia does not come with the Airbnb. She's a super host. I'm not making anything out of this. It's just because she's such a super host, I decided to put this spot on my channel. Plus, I'm staying here. Now, I'm going to show you guys a little bit about the area so you guys can see. Back here is the main road where most cabs come. And up here, you got a corner store. You got a corner store right here. So if you want like juice, water or something, that's a corner store right here. Then across the street is a coffee shop where you can come. Then you got a spot right here where they sell empanadas and all kind of stuff. And I don't know if you guys seen that video that I did of Cali Curves, and I was at San Antonio Park. Right up this hill is the park. So if you go right up this hill, the park is right there up that hill. So it's not far from San Antonio Park, literally like a 5-minute walk. Then right here, when you check out this spot right here, let me zoom in a little bit. Now, I'm not a vegan, I'm not a vegetarian, but you got a lot of people that follow my channel that are vegetarians and vegans. This spot, if you see these stairs right up top, those stairs, up those stairs and you make a right, there's a really good vegan slash vegetarian restaurant. They got really good food. I'm not a vegetarian, but sometimes I go 2-3 days without eating meat. Then you have a pharmacy right there, right around the corner from the place. There's a pharmacy. And either way, doesn't matter where you walk. I'm doing YouTube. And either way you walk, there's restaurants. Like right here, there's a restaurant right here, literally right by the apartment, and they show you the specials that they have right here. And you could probably get like a plate of food for probably like under $5 with soup, chicken, rice, any type of meat you want. And there's another corner store right here. Just show you guys a little bit. And there's a panderia. You know, they sell like cakes and bread and, you know, sweets and coffee. There's another restaurant right here. See, there's restaurants all around this area. There's another spot right there. And right here, I come here a lot and buy like little pans and toast. You got pastry, you got cakes, you got, you know, you got everything all in one. Here's the cakes right here. This is right by the apartment. And you have a corner store right here. And down here is where you can catch a cab. They come like probably like every 3 minutes, every 5. This apartment has 2 beds. All right, you have 2. You got a queen size bed in this room. So you got 2 rooms, queen bed. You also got AC in this room. And you got the beautiful view of San Antonio.
TV, Smart TV.
Oh, ahora tú estás hablando inglés. Full size closet, nice size closet. All right. Oh yeah, it's very good. You got 2 lamps. You also have lámparas, 2 lámparas. And you have a workstation for if you need to work, your laptop or computer.
Cama doble.
Okay.
Super.
Oh, ese closet se ve más grande, ¿no?
Super grande, sí. Super grande.
All right, that is looks like that closet might be a little bit bigger.
Yeah, absolutely.
Aquí se pueden venir a vivir.
All right.
Super grande.
See that? You have a twin bed. The other one has a queen bed. Ese tiene twin, el otro tiene queen bed.
Este también le vamos a colocar aire acondicionado. El lunes vienen a instalar.
All right, and right here you have also a smart TV, and a fan. Okay.
Wi-Fi.
Got your Wi-Fi.
Sala comedor.
You got your this is the living room space area, and you have your kitchen table. And let's go to the kitchen. Okay. Alrighty.
That's what her favorite thing is doing.
Cafetera, horno, microondas.
You got a microwave, and you also have your nice stainless
Nevera,
steel refrigerator.
patio de ropa.
And there you go, your washing machine. Eso es muy importante.
Yeah.
Eso también. That is very important, because si alguien quiere es como un apartamento por 2 semanas, o
Sí, aquí-
yeah,
aquí
mejor
han tenido.
tiene lavadora.
Y el baño es súper amplio, súper cómodo. Tiene agua caliente.
That's the bathroom with the hot water. Ese baño es muy grande.
Muy grande.
Oh wow. And it has
Y
the
tiene
little,
para meter las...
closet space. This is a very, look at that. Stainless steel.
Yep. See?
Stainless steel sink.
And how much is this place?
Alright, y ahora nosotros queremos saber, they want to know how much is this 2-bedroom apartment. ¿Cuánto vale?
Super precio.
A super good price.
Son $35 hasta para
Wow.
30, what's it, $35?
$35. So dos personas dividir $35 is es como $16.
Eso es un regalo.
She said it's a gift. So yeah, 2 people, man, for $30-something, you can't beat that. We should have got this together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Y yo los voy a atender muy bien.
Yeah. Yo le di a él, si nosotros sabemos, pues yo y él podemos arreglar eso.
Claro.
Esa parte, ¿no? All right, Claudia, thank you. Muchísimas gracias,
Con
Claudia.
mucho gusto.
Una pregunta para la gente. ¿Qué tipo de comida te gusta cocinar? What type of food is your favorite food to cook?
¿Qué me gusta cocinar?
Sí.
Pasta.
¿Pasta
me
con
encanta.
camarones o
Pasta
pollo?
con camarones, hago pasta a la carbonara.
Okay.
Pasta-
¿Y tú eres caleña? ¿Caleña?
Sí.
All right, she's from Cali. Primera vez en Cali. Your first time Cali?
Yeah, in Cali. Yeah.
Nuestra primera vez en Cali y gracias, muchísimas gracias. Thank you.
Bienvenidos
Thank-
y las veces que vengan. Con
All
mucho
right.
gusto los atiendo.
All right, bye-bye. Bye.
So the
5 minutes. So now that we got it out the way, guys, if you like this video, number 1, hit the like button. That's number 1. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. All right? So like, subscribe. Let me know if I'm missing anything, guys, and you want to go ahead and drop it on the comment section, and I'll answer all questions about this apartment. So just showing love, like, subscribe, and we out of here. Meet